Have you ever looked at a sunflower and thought, wow, those seeds are arranged perfectly?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
But it's also like deeply mathematical, right?
Yeah.
So today, we're diving into math,
Okay.
like the language of the universe.
It is.
And we'll explore how it's not just about like numbers and equations and stuff, but it's a key to understanding everything around us.
Yeah, for sure.
From the tiniest atom to the vast expanse of the cosmos.
Right.
Math is quietly working, shaping the reality we experience.
Exactly. We've got some great sources for this deep dive that reveal just the beauty and power of math.
Awesome.
Showing how it underpins the natural world,
Yeah.
drives innovation, shapes our future.
Okay, let's start with nature then.
Sure.
It always seems so chaotic and random.
Yeah.
But is there like an underlying order,
Well, there is.
a hidden code?
And that code is math.
Whoa.
Yeah, so take the Fibonacci sequence.
Okay.
Each number is the sum of the two before it.
Gotcha.
1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and so on. It appears everywhere in nature.
Like in that sunflower we were just talking about.
Yes, exactly. The seeds are arranged in spirals that follow the Fibonacci sequence.
Whoa.
And this arrangement allows the plant to pack in as many seeds as possible.
So nature's being efficient.
Nature is efficient and beautiful.
It's like nature's solving a math puzzle to create the most optimal design.
Exactly.
Wild.
And it's not just sunflowers. You see it in branching patterns of trees.
Oh, wow.
Arrangement of leaves on a stem, even the spirals of seashells.
That's crazy.
It's a universal pattern.
My mind is blown. I'm starting to see math everywhere now.
I know, right?
What other secrets are hidden in plain sight?
Well, think about pi.
Okay.
We all learned about it in school.
Yeah.
It's the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter.
Right.
But pi is way more than just a number. It shows up in the ripples of a pond,
Hmm.
the orbits of planets, the shape of galaxies even.
So pi is like baked into the fabric of the universe.
Yes, it's a fundamental constant, a building block of reality itself.
That's incredible.
It really is.
Okay. I'm definitely getting a sense of awe here.
Right.
But how does this mathematical language translate into our human world?
Well, let's talk about technology.
Oh.
Everything we rely on, like smartphones, GPS, the internet, all depends on math.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Can you give me a specific example, something I can relate to?
Sure. Think about how you get your personalized recommendations on streaming services,
Yeah.
or how your GPS finds the fastest route.
Okay.
Complex algorithms are at work constantly crunching numbers to deliver seamless experiences.
So math is the invisible engine powering our digital lives.
Exactly, and it goes deeper than that cryptography.
Okay.
The science of secure communication relies heavily on math.
Huh.
Your online banking transactions, your private messages are all protected by mathematical codes.
Wow. It's like a secret language only math can unlock.
In a way it is, and speaking of languages, did you know that music is deeply rooted in math?
Music, how so?
The vibrations that create sound waves, the ratios and frequencies that determine harmony, it's all governed by mathematical principles.
Oh, wow.
Think of a symphony, each note carefully placed in time, creating a beautiful, intricate pattern.
Yeah.
That's math in action.
So there's a hidden mathematical symphony playing out all around us,
Absolutely.
from the natural world to our human creations.
Yes, and the more we understand math, the more we can appreciate the beauty and complexity of everything around us.
This is incredible. I'm starting to feel like I need to brush up on my math skills.
You and me both.
What are some ways we can use math to unlock the universe's secrets?
Well, calculus, for instance, is essential for understanding motion and change.
Okay.
Physicists use it to study how galaxies move, how stars are born and die, even how the universe is expanding.
So calculus is like a time machine.
In a way, yeah, it allows us to model dynamic systems to understand how things change over time.
That's so cool. And then there's probability and statistics.
Right.
Those fields are crucial for making predictions and understanding large amounts of data.
They are.
So from predicting the weather to understanding stock market trends, it's all about math.
Absolutely. Math helps us make sense of the world, from the smallest details to the biggest picture.
This is all pretty mind-blowing. I'm
Yeah.
ready for more.
Yeah.
What other adventures await us in the world of math?
Well, let's move on to something that feels almost futuristic. Artificial intelligence, AI.
Ooh.
AI. It might seem like magic, but at its core, it's all built on math.
AI and math. I wouldn't have put those two together. How does that work?
Imagine a neural network. It's a complex system designed to learn and adapt,
Okay.
modeled after the human brain.
Right.
But its learning process depends heavily on math concepts,
Like what?
like optimization, linear algebra, probability.
Huh. So every time my streaming service suggests a movie I end up loving, it's really just math happening in the background.
Precisely.
Wow.
And it's not just entertainment either. Self-driving cars, navigating busy streets,
Wow.
medical AI assisting with diagnoses. All these groundbreaking technologies depend on mathematical algorithms to function.
So math is like the secret code behind the AI revolution.
You could say that. What else is math doing in cutting-edge tech?
I don't know what else.
Big data.
Okay.
We generate and collect tons of information every second.
Yeah, that's true.
Making sense of all that data requires powerful tools, and that's where math comes in.
But how does math help us untangle this data jungle?
Machine learning algorithms.
Okay.
They can sift through big data, identify patterns, make predictions. These algorithms are basically mathematical models that learn from data and get better over time.
So from personalized recommendations to self-driving cars to analyzing huge data sets, math is playing a key role in shaping our technological landscape.
It really is. And math doesn't just stay here on Earth.
Oh, where else does it go?
It ventures out into the cosmos.
Now we're talking space exploration. I've always loved thinking about space. How does math help us reach for the stars?
Well, think about sending humans to the moon or landing rovers on Mars.
Yeah?
These achievements needed incredibly precise calculations in physics and orbital mechanics.
So every trajectory, every maneuver, every successful landing, it's all thanks to math.
Exactly. And it's not just about getting there. Math is also vital for operating telescopes,
Oh, right.
like the James Webb Space Telescope, helping us see back in time to the earliest moments of the universe.
It's mind-blowing that math can help us unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. But I have to ask, beyond the practical applications, what about the philosophical side of math?
Now that's where things get really interesting. We can use math to build awesome technologies and explore the universe, but it also makes us ask some deep questions about the nature of reality itself.
Okay, give it to me. What kind of mind-bending questions are we talking about?
Philosophers and mathematicians have debated for centuries whether math is something we invented or something we discovered. Is it a human construct, a tool we made to describe the world?
Right.
Or is it a fundamental part of the universe existing independently of us?
Wow, that's a big question. Is math like a language we came up with, or is it more like uncovering a universal code that was already there?
It's a question that has puzzled thinkers for ages, and it goes even deeper. Some scientists are exploring whether math can help us understand consciousness.
Hold on, math and consciousness, how are those two connected?
The idea is that the complexity of the human mind, the way we think, feel, experience the world, maybe it can be modeled mathematically.
That's a radical idea.
It is, but some believe it could help us unlock the nature of consciousness.
So we could use math to decode the mysteries of the human mind. That's wild. What else?
Then there's quantum mechanics.
Okay.
This field suggests that reality itself at its most fundamental level could be governed by probabilities and wave functions.
And those are?
Essentially mathematical concepts.
So you're saying the fabric of reality might be mathematical?
It's a mind-boggling idea, and we're still far from fully understanding it.
I can imagine.
But the implications are huge.
Yeah. So math isn't just about equations and calculations. It could be the key to unlocking the deepest secrets of existence.
It certainly makes you think about the true nature of reality and the power of mathematics to help us understand it.
It's a lot to process, but exciting. Where does math go from here? How will it shape our future?
Math will definitely continue to be at the forefront of technology. It's essential for developing sustainable energy solutions, modeling climate change, understanding complex systems that affect our planet.
Can you give me a concrete example? How is math being used to tackle real problems today?
Take medicine, for example. Mathematical models are being used to map the human genome, develop new treatments, and even personalize healthcare based on an individual's genes.
Wow, so math is helping us understand ourselves better, both on a cosmic level and a personal level.
It goes beyond healthcare, too.
Like what?
Math is crucial for urban planning, traffic management, financial modeling. Almost every aspect of modern society uses mathematical principles.
So we're all living in a world built on math, whether we realize it or not.
Exactly. And as we face new challenges from climate change to resource scarcity, math will be an essential tool for finding solutions and creating a sustainable future.
I'm seeing math in a whole new light now. It's not just about equations and formulas. It's about understanding the universe, driving innovation, and shaping our future. This deep dive has been incredible.
It's been an amazing journey, hasn't it? From the patterns in nature to the algorithms behind AI, math is a universal language that connects us to the deepest truths of our world and beyond.
I used to think math was a bit dry and intimidating, but now I see it as this incredible tool for understanding everything from the tiniest atom to the vast expanse of the cosmos.
That's the beauty of math. It's a journey of discovery that never ends.
It really is.
There's always more to explore, more to understand, more to be amazed by.
Next time I look at a sunflower or gaze at the stars, I'll remember that there's this hidden mathematical symphony happening all around me.
And maybe that's the biggest takeaway from today.
What is?
To learn math is to catch a glimpse of the code of the cosmos, to see the connections in everything, and to unlock a reality larger than ourselves.
That's beautiful. Well, that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the fascinating world of math. I hope you've all gained a new appreciation for this language that shapes our world and beyond.
Remember, math is more than just a school subject. It's the language of the universe, the key to understanding our world, and the driver of the innovations that will shape our future.
So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of math. Makes you wonder, though, right?
About.
If we're only scratching the surface of what math can, reveal.
Oh, yeah.
About the universe and ourselves.
Totally. That's the really exciting part. There's so much more to discover. You know, math is constantly evolving.
Yeah.
There are always new breakthroughs.
So where are these breakthroughs happening? What are some areas where math is pushing the boundaries?
One area is quantum computing.
Oh, wow. I've heard about that.
It uses quantum mechanics to do calculations in ways that normal computers just can't. It could revolutionize so many fields like medicine, materials science, artificial intelligence.
Quantum computing sounds super complex.
It is.
How does math even play a role?
At its heart, quantum computing relies on mathematical concepts.
Like
linear algebra, complex numbers, probability.
Right.
These math tools help us describe and manipulate these quantum systems.
So math is the key to unlocking the power of this quantum world.
Exactly. And then there's topology.
Okay.
It studies the properties of shapes that stay the same even when you deform them. It's being applied to everything from understanding the structure of the universe to developing new materials.
Topology sounds like sci-fi.
It kind of is, right?
Yeah. How's it being used practically?
Well, in material science,
okay.
Topology is helping design materials that are crazy strong,
wow,
flexible, and have high conductivity. These materials could change industries from electronics to aerospace.
So math is not just about these abstract concepts, it's leading to real breakthroughs.
Oh, yeah.
That could actually change lives.
Absolutely. And as we keep pushing the boundaries of math, we'll probably find even more amazing insights into the nature of reality.
This whole deep dive has been a wild ride.
It has.
I've come away with such a new appreciation for math.
I'm glad.
It's not just numbers and equations,
And much more.
It's about understanding the universe, exploring the unknown, and shaping our future.
Exactly. I'm so glad you see that math is often seen as dry and intimidating.
Right.
But it's really creative and fascinating. It's all about finding patterns and solving puzzles and uncovering the connections and everything.
You've definitely convinced me. I might even dig out my old math textbooks.
You should.
And see what I can remember.
I think you'll be surprised. Math is a journey that never ends, and there's always something new to learn.
Well, folks, that's a wrap for our deep dive into the world of math.
Hope you enjoyed it.
We hope you've enjoyed the journey and come away with a sense of wonder for the mathematical universe that surrounds us.
Remember, math is more than just something you learned in school. It's a language, a key to understanding our world, and the driving force behind innovation that'll shape our future.
So stay curious, keep exploring, and never lose that sense of wonder for the magic of math.